Learn to wheelie a gearless cycle in 1 minute. Learning to wheelie is useful on the trail and to flex on your friends. When you're starting off, first lower the seat. Next, keep your pedal at the maximum power position. Get a good firm grip on the handlebar and pull back lightly. To do a wheelie, you need to push on the pedal, pull back on the handlebar and shift your weight back a little bit. Now it's time to get onto the bike and do some practice. In case you overdo the wheelie, remember to jump off. Alternatively, use one finger on your back brakes to tap the brakes so your wheel drops back down. Practice where there's ample space for you to learn and keep trying. Well guys, now a big shout out to my sponsors, findbetter.ai, a social media integrated marketplace. Until next time, safe ride everyone.